Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Levy. I want to talk about clock fractions tonight in review of the homework that I gave you today. So we looked at the clock today and we talked about how there are 12 sections that surround the clock. In between each set of numbers, there are 5 minutes. And so we can color it like this, where you have alternate colors, so that it's very easy to see that each section stands out and has 5 minutes. And if we were to draw lines to the center, I'm sorry for all the shadows, it's nighttime, we would have our line here, which will be 2 parts, right? 2 equal parts. And when we have 2 equal parts, we call that half. But I'm going to continue and draw a line from 9 to 3, and now I have quarters, 4 equal parts. And when we look at the quarters, we see that there's 5, 10, 15 minutes. So 1/4 hour is 15 minutes. And then 1/2 hour is 30 minutes. And 3/4 would be 45 minutes. And of course, 4/4 would be 60 minutes. And this clock, I'm going to go ahead and divide it into all 12 sections. So that's half, 30 minutes each. Quarters, 15 minutes each. And now I'm going to divide these by each number. When you do this, you can see that there are 12 fair shares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fair shares. So each one is 1/12. 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, all the way around. So 1/12 of an hour equals 5 minutes. And we can see how that's division, because 60 divided by 12 equals 5. Or 60 divided by 5 equals 12. Or 5 times 12 equals 60. Or 12 times 5 equals 60. And so that's a fact family, right? So if each section is 12 and there's is 1/12 and we have 5 minutes, then we could, if we made 5 sections, they would each be worth 12 minutes. So 1/5 of an hour would be 12 minutes. Okay. If I count up several of these sections, like 2/12 would be 1/12 and 1/12, or 5 and 5. So 2/12 would be 10 minutes. 3/12 would be 15 minutes, which is also the same as 1/4. So 3/12 and 1/4 are the same thing, they're equivalent. I hope this little review of the clock fractions that we did today in class will help you remember how to use a clock as a helpful aid when studying fractions.